Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So guys, I'm pretty excited about this one because I am going to be showing you how I made this rich and yummy granola with just 3,000 naira and some fractions. So if you're excited like I am, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I'm starting out with toasting the coconut flakes that I'm going to be using with a dry pan, and everything that I'm going to be doing today in this video is going to be done with just a dry pan. No oven, nothing else, just a pan. I'm using just the regular oats and not the old-fashioned oats for this one. It has a lot of particles and I decided to sieve it for a finer and smoother texture. I'm going to be listing out all the ingredients that I have used in this video down in the description box, as well as the cost of each item. So I have oats, coconuts, almonds, dates, raisins, cashew nuts, cinnamon, and nutmeg for my aromatics. So I'm starting out with pouring the oats into a bowl because I am going to be doing some mixings in this bowl. I have no particular reason for putting this into a serviette or blotting paper, so kindly ignore. So here I'm adding some salt to taste because we're Africans and we like food to be tasty. Next I am going in with olive oil to serve as a base or coating for the oats while I am toasting. Now I'm going in with white sugar and water mix for some taste as well. This will be replacing my brown sugar, maple syrup, and honey. I'm going to mix this all up to get an even taste. So I'm trying to achieve a dry, crispy granola as against the traditional sticky or lumpy type of granola. Now we're all set and ready to toast. Look at this, dang it. So the pan has been preheated already on a small burner and on low heat. So next I am going in with my cinnamon as my aromatics, and this is a game changer guys. So I'm just gonna stir this and let it roast for some time before I add the other ingredients. So I'm adding milk flavor paste to the oats. Nobody sent me, but I just thought this would really be cool and nice and tasty with sweet aroma. So next I am going to be pouring the dates into the oats. This was already roasted before and I just wanted to stay even more longer on fire than the rest of the nuts. Next I am adding the nutmeg. going to be adding the cashew nuts to the mix, and they looked really bold and chunky, and I had already broken them, but I guess they're still big and we'll have to make do like that. And now we're ready to add the almonds. These has already been toasted before and broken into smaller chunks. And now we go in with the coconut flakes. At this point, guys, I realized that the nuts are way too much and way more than the oats itself. Oh well, we will find a solution to that later on. So just keep stirring and keep stirring. Do not let the oats to get burned, so you just keep stirring. Now I have turned off the heat and I'm adding the raisins. Stir for 30 seconds and it is all ready. We're ready, we're all done. So this is crispy, non-sticky, non-chunky, rich, yummy granola ready to be eaten. So I eventually took out some nuts and stored them differently, then I can use them later.